Once upon a time, a young boy named Daniel lived in a small village. Daniel was kind, but he often felt sad because his family was very poor. Their house was small, and some days there was not enough food on the table. Daniel looked at other people in the village and thought they were much luckier than him. One day, Daniel met an old gardener sitting under a big tree. The gardener was planting seeds in the soil. Daniel watched him for a moment and asked, "Why are you planting seeds here?" The old gardener smiled and said, "Because small seeds can grow into big trees." Daniel shook his head. "But these seeds are so tiny. How can something so small become a big tree?" The gardener picked up a small seed and placed it in Daniel's hand. "Everything big begins small," he said. Daniel did not fully understand, but he took the seed home and planted it behind his house. Every day he gave the seed a little water. Some days he felt tired and wanted to stop, but he remembered the gardener's words. After many days, a small green plant came out of the soil. Daniel felt excited. He kept watering it and protecting it from strong wind and animals. Weeks passed, and the small plant slowly grew taller and stronger. Daniel realized something important. The plant did not grow in one day. It grew little by little. This idea changed Daniel's thinking. He began to do small things every day to improve his life. He helped his parents more, studied harder at school, and practiced new skills. Months later, the plant had grown into a strong young tree. Daniel stood beside it and smiled. The tiny seed had become something beautiful. At that moment, Daniel understood the true lesson. Big changes in life do not happen overnight. They grow slowly, just like a seed growing into a tree. From that day forward, Daniel stopped worrying about how poor he was. Instead, he focused on doing small good things every day. And just like the tree behind his house, Daniel's life slowly began to grow in ways he never imagined.